Namaste, myself Sachin from Sachin's Yoga and this, and today I'm going to discuss with you how nutrition, a proper nutrition, yoga and strength training can help to keep your bone healthy and fit. But before moving forward, I would request everyone to please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, as well you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook to get more informative videos like this on yoga and health. Okay, so how nutrition helps our bones to keep healthy. Now, the most commonly known nutrition which has been discussed everywhere and which we have been learning since long, that is calcium. We have been told that calcium is the most important part of our bone, and that is true as well. Okay, but apart from calcium, there are few nutrients like protein, and there are different nutritions which really could help and which really will help to keep your bone healthy and fit. Now, 60% of our bone comprises of calcium, which makes it the storage house of the bone, and 10% is protein, which is in the form of collagen, and rest is different nutrients like zinc, phosphorus, manganese, iron, and many more. Okay, now as and when I start discussing about this nutrition, I'll start putting a slide over here which tells you different nutritions and different foods which comprises of all this nutrition. Okay, now let us discuss about calcium. As I have mentioned earlier, calcium, the 60% of our bone comprises of calcium and vitamin D. Okay, now naturally it makes a storage house of the bone. So the different calciums are mentioned here, which we can get from our daily nutrition, which through our cooking, daily cooking, whatever we do. Okay, we don't have to go for over and above for any supplements or any extra foods which are not available in our region or in our area. Okay, vitamin D, naturally we get it from sun rays, and as well we get it from the food, which is also mentioned over here. Okay, so the second most important part of our bone is a protein. Okay, protein keeps our bone elastic. Elasticity of the bone is maintained by protein, which is in the form of collagen. Okay, now how we can fulfill the need of protein, which helps our bone to keep elasticity of the bone. The different foods are mentioned over here. Okay, you can include those food in your daily meals. Okay, you can include in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, whatever you are comfortable doing it. Okay, and the rest part of our bone, the rest percentage of the bone is comprising of different minerals. Okay, like zinc, phosphorus, manganese, iron, and there are many more. The food for this, the food comprising these minerals are mentioned over here. Okay, so these are the different nutrients which really help our bone to keep healthy. Elasticity of the bone is maintained, and the density of the bone is maintained. Okay, so bones are very important as well to produce and reproduce RBCs, which keeps our body balanced, and no doubt the structure of our body is dependent on our bones. It safeguards our organs. Okay, and it helps us for the smooth movement of our body. Now let us come to the yoga part of keeping our bones healthy. Naturally, when we want to keep our bone healthy and fit, the density of the bone good, the bone mass proper, the exercise becomes one of the most important routine, and yoga, on top of that, yoga becomes most important. Apart from yoga, as well, the strength training is important. Okay, the combination of yoga and strength training really helps to keep our bone healthy and fit. to know more about how and what kind of yoga is suitable for you to keep your bone healthy depending on your age. Okay, please do call me, please do message me, or you can always follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and also subscribe my channel on YouTube. Okay, different age has different form of yoga, which helps to maintain your bone density. As we age, our bones tend to get thinner and thinner, and we start losing the elasticity in our bone. So, as I mentioned earlier, the proper nutrition, along with yoga and strength training, will definitely help you to maintain the health of your bone and keep you healthy for a longer time. So please do follow me, and my links of YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and my mobile number has been mentioned. You can always call me and do watch my videos for more such information on yoga and health. Thank you. Namaste.